Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on JASMY. The price of JASMY has broken out another down channel. Previously, we broke out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and after that, we had a very massive rally. By the way, from this low to here, it was overall more than almost 269% rally from the month of December 2022 up till here, up till the month of December 2024. By the way, I have been showing you this previous breakout from this volume wedge pattern, even before the breakout when it was moving inside this wedge. And I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that we had a very huge parabolic bull run. And this was almost a more than 2000% rally. And now recently, finally, we have broken out another quite long-term down channel from the month of December 2024 up till here, up till the month of April 2024, it had been 2025. It had been moving inside this channel that we have now recently broken out. And if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price of JASMY is trying to break out a very long-term resistance zone that starts from 1.77 cents and goes to 1.92 cents. And you can see that for the past several weeks, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And here it was acting as a support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of May 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup from Mask, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 19th of May 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. You can see that this was a very massive rally. Now let's move to the live chart of JASMY. And here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that since after second week of December 2024, it has been moving inside this channel. And finally here on 12th of April 2025, we broke it out. And after the breakout, the price was rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 1.77 cents and goes to 1.92 cents. And we retested the previous resistance of the channel as support and geared up. Again, got rejected. And finally, we have again reached at this long-term resistance. And for the past several days, you can see that it is struggling to break it out. By the way, after the breakout from this channel, we also broke out this very long-term resistance on another very long-term resistance on that starts from 1.2 cents and goes to 1.5 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance on from 1.2 to 1.5 cents has been previously breaking as a very strong and long-term support zone. And before that, it had been acting as a resistance on here and support down here as well. Therefore, now after the breakout, it is again flipped into a very nice support. We tested this support down here and here, and now we need to break out the next resistance zone from 1.77 to 1.92 cents in order to continue this rally to the upside. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this recent down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is from approximately at 5 cents. And by the way, from 5 to 6.1 cents, we already have a very long-term, another very long-term resistance zone that had been recently working as a rejection point here. Before that, it had been acting as a resistance on here and support on here in the month of December 2021. Now here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because then I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.